Good morning, student. Today I am going to teach a very important topic. In this topic, today you have to able to understand how 100 crore rupees is going to become a 500 crore rupees in an economy. It's not your home. It means if 100 crore rupees is going to invest in an economy, it will be going to 500 crore rupees as a income. How? So this process is called process of income propagation. This process is called process of income propagation. So this income propagation means how 100 crore investment become 500 crore income in an economy. So this all thing known as investment multiplier. Let's see. Very simple example. Suppose Reliance Industry is going to set up a new factory in your city. Is going to invest 100 crore. Okay, is going to invest 100 crore. This is the first round. When Reliance Industry is going to invest 100 crores in your city, it means he is going to build a factory for producing goods and services. Okay, so there are so many employers and workers are going to connected. So many builders, they are going to provide raw materials. So what does mean? It means the factory which is going to be opened or set up by 100 crore, it means in an economy the income is also 100 crore in first round. Whatever the investment by the factory of Reliance India Limited, whatever any company in your society, the investment of 100 crore is equal to the income of is equal. You can say that 100 crore is investment and income is also at the same level. Next level. What is the next level? This 100 crore, out of 100 crore, I am going to assume consumption. What is the consumption rate? Suppose I am going to assume MPC 0.8. MPC is 0.8. So I am going to find out that the consumption, it means 100 crore income is going to be consumed, because we have already understand that if any income is going to utilize by consumption plus saving. We have already studied. So out of 100 crore, some people are going to take with the help in the form of wages, salary, etc. So they are going to buy refrigerator, car, etc. from the market. So they are going to consume this income. So in the second stage, what will happen? Out of 100 crore, 80 crore is going to be consumed. How 80 crore? We just multiply the consumption into 100, that is 80 crore. Simple. This is the second round. Okay, my dear student. So if 80 crore is consumption, what will happen? It means total 80 crore is going to come again in the economy. So what will happen if they are going to purchase car and fridge? Those who are producing car and fridge, they get this income. After that, out of 80 crore income, then again this income is going to be utilized for consumption. So our consumption rate is 0.8. multiply 80, that is 64. Okay, 64. Okay, my dear student, 64 crore. Out of 64 crore, that is 64 crore. Out of 64 crore, now this 64 crore again going to be consumed. So it is the fourth round. Fourth round, this invest 64 crore multiply our MPC, that is 51.2. Okay, 51.2. So this 51.2 is shown. Then it is going to show on, my dear student, 5, 6, 7, whatever. It come to the end when their value is going to be negative. Okay, so it's going to be so on. You can write down. So here you calculate. If you are going to add, this situation is going to be till the value of this is not going to be negative or 0. Negative cannot be, because saving or income cannot be negative, but if the value becomes a 0, it means income is going to be 0, the process is going to be end. This is the process of income propagation. So if you are going to calculate this, total increase in consumption is, that is 400 crore, 400 crore, and here that is 500 crore. So what is this? Simple, my dear student. 100 crore is going to invest it. This investment one by one, that is round 1, round 3, round 4, round 5, whatever the round is going on. So this round is till the completed when the value is not going to be 0. So whatever the, if you are going to adding this number 80, 64, this value is going to be added till the end, you get a 400. That is the called increase in consumption, and this is called income. Okay, increase in income. This income started from 80, 100, 80, 64, 51.2. This value till we added 500. Simple logic is that your investment become 500 rupees in income in an economy. So my dear student, I hope you understand this topic, how the income is going to be generated in an economy. So you have to know very simple logic, that whenever the government is going to make any investment in an economy, so you just think that the process of income propagation by when investment is going to be made, this amount of investment is going to increase in the form of income, because every level of the investment is going to become income. Okay, you have already understand. Here the factories had already set up. This factory worker get a salary. The salary is going to invested in the form of day-to-day commodities. Okay, or same formula is also here. So every income is going to in an economy. Okay, my dear student, I hope it is a very simple logic and you clearly understand and think every time whatever the investment made by the government. Thank you.